My name is Fatma Hussein, Director at Fafros Gardens Limited. When we were approached by Gulf Cup Real Estate to come and do the landscape here at Buxton, there were no plants at all. It was absolutely dead. It was a desert, I would say, maybe with one or two trees. It was only bricks. We sat down as a company, we gave it a thought and decided we are going to do it differently from all other projects that we've done. Being that Buxton is a historical place, it has a lot of histories amongst the coastal people. That is where then we came up with the concept of how to do the landscape here. If you go around Buxton, you would see indigenous plants that you can't find currently around Mombasa. Mikungu, minazi. You have indigenous flowery plant, asmini, milua, milangilangi. These are things that you would not find in any of the gardens, leave alone affordable housing. Even in the high-end estates, you will not find. Buxton, it is green, it's full of life, full of scents. It's just vibrant in all colors and all forms. I would urge all developers around all the 47 counties of the country, please visit Buxton Point for benchmarking so that we could have 47 beautiful Buxton Points around all the 47 counties. This would help us with our environment, our health, the health of our children and our children's children. Let's use Buxton Point as a good benchmarking point. Thank you very much.